Hello viewer, now I am reviewing the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. The display of the smartphone is 6.72-inch IPS LCD. The refresh rate of the display of the smartphone 120 Hz. The screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone 87.1%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of the smartphone 1080p into 2400 pixels. The PPI density of the display of the smartphone 391. The protection of the display of the smartphone Corning Gorilla Glass. The operating system of the smartphone Android 13 Oxygen OS 13.1. The chipset of the smartphone Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 5G6nm. The CPU of the smartphone octa-core and the GPU of the smartphone Adreno 619. The memory of the smartphone card slot micro SD user share SIM slot. The internal memory are available of different type and the 8GB RAM are available of the smartphone UFS 2.2. Now I am telling about the main camera of the smartphone are triple camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera of the smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera of this smartphone HDR in panorama. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the sound of this smartphone. Loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is also available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi of this smartphone 802.11 dual band. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.1 A2DPLE. The NFC is available but the FM radio is not available of the smartphone. The charging port of the smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. The battery of the smartphone 5000 non-removable. The charging wire of the battery of the smartphone 67W. The 5G technology is available of the smartphone. The line data was announced of the smartphone 4th April 2023. There are a different prices are available of the smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.